I'm Lou Heavner, and I'm here to talk a little bit about model predictive control and when is the appropriate time to use a model predictive control technology. Model predictive control is a technology that is applicable whenever a process has a dead time dominant dynamic, whenever there's interacting process loops in conventional controls, where you want to apply feed forward. Feed forward is inherently easy to do with model predictive control. So when you have interacting loops, like the pressure and flow control in a pipeline or like a distillation column, many examples in the process industry, it's a good candidate for improving the control. Model predictive control technology is a good vehicle for optimization. And with optimization, you can get some economic benefits in addition to just improved control performance. Those economic benefits can be achieving some economic objective like minimizing energy consumption, maximizing production, maximizing yield of the more valuable products, minimizing yield of undesirable byproducts. Delta V has an embedded model predictive control technology. That's the Predict and Predict Pro family of products. And with those products, it simplifies the implementation of model predictive control. The biggest advantage of using embedded approach to model predictive control is that it requires some interfacing with the control system. But when it's embedded in the control system, a lot of that non-value added engineering goes away, and it makes it a much more cost-effective solution. So if you have any questions in particular about model predictive control technology or about advanced control in general, please post them in the Emerson Exchange 365 community.